As an artist, I'm compelled to explore new subject matter, new techniques, and of course, new art supplies. It's kind of like the artist version of a candy store, if you know what I mean. I tend to focus on art supplies that are easily portable because I love to paint on the go. I've even blogged about it in the past. Whether it's a cityscape, a trip out of town, or a visit to a quiet garden, I love the sense of adventure that comes with painting in a new setting. Even if I've just taken photos, I can relive my experience by painting it. In fact, the memories become more enhanced when they're expressed in such a unique way. So when Viviva reached out to me to collaborate, I was pretty excited. The paints, the sketchbook, and the brush pen they sent me has become my new favorite on-the-go kit. It's by far the lightest and easiest, most portable set of paints I have ever owned. Each color is super vibrant, giving my work a whole new dimension. The book of color sheets is easy to flip through, especially with the color guide below to help me quickly find the ones I need. And each color square is equal to a half pan of watercolor paint, so you can work for long periods of time without worrying about running out. They're dye-based instead of pigment-based, so they work a bit differently than traditional watercolors. I find I have the best results in their cotton paper sketchbooks. The colors are a bit easier to mix and blend. The water brush is also surprisingly simple to use. I can paint for over an hour with just one barrel full. This tiny Paintbook even comes with its own palette, making it super convenient when you're out and about. Keep in mind these are not light fast, so they're best used in a sketchbook that will be stored closed, perfect for journaling and memory keepsakes. In the next live Zoom watercolor painting session, I'm going to show you exactly how to use these paints to capture your world. If you'd like a set of your own, Viviva and I have teamed up on the original pink set colors with the Octopus Connection logo on it, so you can have all the basic colors to paint, well, just about anything. Join me for a live Zoom watercolor painting session to learn more about how to take your painting on the go. Ask your questions live, we'll chat while painting, and maybe even laugh a little bit. There's a link below to sign up for free, and I'll see you there. I can't wait to see what you create.